See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
It was a cool and breezy Saturday across a good portion of Acadiana. The good news was we had some sunshine to begin the day, but now clouds, even a few light showers, are pushing into portions of Acadiana. Clouds will continue across the region for our Sunday, along with another wave of some light rain during the afternoon. But the big story is the heavy rains we're expecting late Sunday night into Monday and continuing throughout most of the day, bringing with the possibility for some heavy rains along with some severe thunderstorms. We'll have more on that in just a little bit, but there you can see the showers that we did have rolling through northern portions of Acadiana within the last couple hours or so. Began around 3 o'clock. Most of this has been fairly light, more or less just a drizzle across portions, but I wouldn't be surprised if you maybe had to turn the windshield wipers on a little bit, but now most of it is beginning to exit the region. Most of it has stayed north of the interstate. A good bit of clouds are streaming in, and that's what we're going to be dealing with through the rest of this evening. But we'll take a closer look at some of the showers that we still have ongoing. Ville Platte got a decent little shower. Opelousas to Eunice had some of the heavier rains too, but you can see most of it is now moving out of St. Landry Parish and pushing off to the east, and most of this should die down within the next hour or so. But you can see a few sprinkles or drizzle will be possible across northern portions for at least another hour. I would say by 8 o'clock most of this is beginning to wind down. But the winds were the story today, anywhere from 10 to 20, gusting over 20 miles per hour. You can see around noon they were gusting up to around 15 here in Lafayette, 17 down towards Patterson, out of the northeast. But as we push later on into the evening, winds are beginning to come down a little bit, so it's not nearly as chilly thanks to those winds, but still anywhere from 5 to 10 miles out of the north. And then we're going to continue to keep a light breeze through the rest of this evening. So here's what we got. Clouds will be with us and continuing to thicken heading into Sunday morning. Could have a few peaks of sunshine across northern portions. Also a sprinkle can't be ruled out down towards the Gulf Coast. By the afternoon, clouds continue to thicken. Model isn't showing a whole lot, but some other models are painting the picture for some light showers during the afternoon like we saw today. So don't rule that out, but it looks to be more or less a gloomy day. Temperatures into the mid-50s. Late into Sunday by Monday morning. This is midnight, Sunday night into Monday morning. We're watching a low pressure system with a warm front that'll be lifting off the Gulf and pushing over. That could produce some scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms to begin Monday morning. You can see this model run has it over towards Cameron, the Lafayette. Heavy showers, even a possibility for some rumbles of thunder, maybe some strong storms producing some small hail and gusty winds. That'll be the first wave waking up Monday morning as this system makes its way through. But then during the afternoon, we're watching the cold front. That'll bring another wave of widespread scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms again out ahead of that main frontal system into Monday afternoon. So again, we could be looking at some heavy rains throughout a good portion of our Monday. But by Monday evening, the low begins to move off to the east. The front clears. Breezy conditions pick up heading into Tuesday, along with very chilly temperatures as highs come Tuesday afternoon will be in the 40s, but it will only feel like the 30s throughout most of the day. For the rainfall, here's what we're looking at. It looks like 1 to 3 inches is a good possibility, and you can see with that new model run coming in with the heavier showers off to the west and northwest, this red to orange shade, that's anywhere from 3 to 5 inches. So again, minor flash flooding could be a possibility with some of this. We'll have to keep an eye on that. And then we also have the chance for a marginal risk of severe weather. Damaging wind gusts and small hail will be possible Monday morning into the afternoon with some of those showers and storms, mainly south of the interstate, closer to the Gulf Coast. We'll have the better chance of seeing that. So a cool evening in store for our Saturday. A light shower up across the north, 44 for that overnight low. Then for our Sunday, we'll go 57, so a cloudy fall-like day. Isolated showers during the afternoon, but rain becoming likely late in tonight. Into Mondays, we'll go up to 100% chance, 1 to 3 inches for the rain, and then you see turning downright cold. Highs upper 40s, overnight lows close to the freezing mark into Wednesday and Thursday morning. But by the end of the week, temperatures start to moderate a little bit as that sunshine begins to warm us back up into the lower 60s by Friday and next weekend. Good news is we stay dry, so it looks like we can dry out. Maybe the sugarcane farmers can get some of that harvest by the end of the week, and then maybe some slight showers heading into the following week.
The best thing about that forecast is the low numbers. You get to finally get that cool weather.
You know, start having the fires and wearing the sweaters and jackets.
Oh yeah, thank you. Still to come.